Once upon a time, there lived a mother duck. She was excited as her 5 eggs were finally going to hatch. She watched and counted as one by one eggs hatch. 1 duckling, 2 ducklings, 3, 4, 5 ducklings, she said happily. Suddenly she noticed that there was one more egg. It was bigger and whiter than the rest. This cannot be my egg, she thought. Slowly the big egg began to crack and the strange-looking duckling came out. Mother duck was surprised. The youngest duckling was bigger than the rest. How ugly this little one is, she thought. As the days went by, the ducklings began to grow. But the youngest duckling looked different from the rest. Everybody looked at him and said, "There goes the ugly duckling." His brothers and sisters teased him all the time. The ugly duckling felt bad whenever people laughed at him. He used to run away and hide behind the reeds near the lake. Nobody loves me, he thought. One day the duckling decided to run away from home. He swam and on the way he had many adventures. In the woods, hunters tried to shoot him, but he ran away from them and their dogs. He had never been so scared. He escaped to an old woman's hut. But when she found out that he could not lay any eggs for her, she shooed him out. The duckling lived for some time near another lake. But winter came, and soon the water in the lake became ice. The duckling shivered and shook in the freezing cold. He was rescued by a kind farmer. But the farmer's naughty son chased him all around. He ran away from there too, walking in fear and pain. The duckling was tired from all his troubles, but he trudged on with a heavy heart. Finally, during spring, he reached a shimmering lake. There he saw 2 beautiful white birds with long legs swimming gracefully on the water. Just then, he looked into the water at his reflection. To his surprise, he saw if he looked just like the other 2 elegant birds. The birds came up to him and said, "Welcome, young friend. You must be the most beautiful swan in this whole lake." It was then he realized who he really was. The ugly duckling had become a beautiful swan.